Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x that satisfies this? If we have x to the power x equals 1 divided by x, we want to know the value of x given this. So what to do here is we try to introduce logarithm to both sides, as we are going to have this as ln of x to the power of x equals ln 1 divided by x. So we have to consider from the rule of logarithm. Suppose we have ln a to the power of n. This is the same thing as n ln a. Then we try to apply it after the transformation of, let's say we have ln x to the power x. This is equals to ln x to the power of minus 1, as 1 over x is still the same thing as x raised to the power minus 1. Then by applying the rule above, we have x ln x equals minus 1 ln of x. But instead of that minus 1, we just write it as ln x. Then let's try to take the whole of this here, since we need all the values of x. So here we have x ln x plus ln x equals 0. So we have ln x that is common. By factoring it out, so here gives us ln x into bracket of, when we divide this one by ln x, we are left with x, plus when we divide this one by ln x, we are left with 1, and everything equals 0. So here we are going to let ln x equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. So looking at this thing, we need to get the value of x for ln to be equals to 0. So therefore at this side, we introduce exponential to it, since exponential and ln, they are inverse to each other. So therefore we have e raised to the power of ln x equals e to the power of 0. So then this cancelled, and we have x equals exponential of 0 equals 1. And here is the first solutions that satisfy this problem. And also with this one, it is obvious that the value of x here equals 0 minus 1, and we get x equals minus 1. We have two solutions here, which is x equals 1 and x equals minus 1, and both of them satisfy it. But we have to check when x equals 1 and when x equals minus 1, if they are totally satisfied. So to check, we have from the question x to the power of x equals 1 divided by x, and at x equals 1, we have 1 to the power of 1 equals 1 divided by 1. And when you have 1 to the power 1, it's the same thing as 1. Then 1 equals 1. It means that x equals 1 is a solution. And also for the minus 1, so here we write it as minus 1, then raised to the power of minus 1 equals 1 divided by minus 1. So with what we have here, we try to apply the rule of indices for the second time, as minus 1 to the power of minus 1 is given as 1 divided by minus 1 to the power of 1. Then everything equals 1 divided by minus 1. So here 1 divided by minus 1 is what we have here, and this gives us minus 1. Then everything equals minus 1. It means that the left hand side also equals the right hand side. We solve this problem without applying Lambert W function, and we get the result, which means there is a power in the logarithm as well. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel, you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.